Hello guys, Adeposi here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Platincoin dashboard and start staking for 30% per year. So if that sounds interesting, make sure that you subscribe and like this video, and let's get right into it. So I've been involved in Platincoin for about 3 months now, and it's been an amazing experience. And I'm growing my money about 30% per year through their smart contract staking. I love Platincoin because they have their own blockchain. They're using smart contracts, so the possibilities for danger or the risk factors are very low, right? And I'm going to share my screen now so I can show you my dashboard. But a couple of updates came on recently. I think some days ago, where right now you have to move the Platincoins from the dashboard to your farm, right? The farm is where we stake. So they're doing a couple of things to basically engineer the price growth, and what they're doing is basically reducing the supply and increasing the demand. So as a lot of more people are coming to add coins to their farm so they can earn the 30% yield per year, the amount of coins that are available on the exchange or outside will reduce. All right, so they're basically doing a lot of things, and I project that the cost or the price of the coin will appreciate and do many multiples before the end of 2021. All right, so let's go into my dashboard and show you. All right, so this is my dashboard. Full disclosure, if you come here, you will see that my minted coins is 15. So I haven't withdrawn these coins, and I'm going to do that in this video just to show you how simple it is, and why am I earning 15, and how did I come about 15. There are two major products here in operation, and the first is a minting bot. The minting bot is where is a software, it's a smart contract that produces, this is it right here, the one I bought, the Plus Double Pack. This is a promo, but let's just focus on this. It's going to give me a fixed amount of coins over the next 3 years. So 280 Platin coins is what I will get in total over the next 36 months. So it's giving me that amount every 24 hours. So how much exactly am I getting per day? Now this is crazy, okay? So 280, all right, in 3 years, if I divide that by 36 months, I'm going to get 7.8 Platin coins per month. That's what I'm generating, right now. If I divide it by 30, it gives me 0.259 or something like that, 0.26 Platin coins every 24 hours. So that's what I'm generating. So you can see that when I have 15 here, it's taking a couple of days or weeks to get 15, and I just haven't had time to withdraw it. Okay. Now, if you look further down here, there is a free farm coming with this promo. You can see it's 1,000 euros to get this package, but it comes with a free farm that is worth 1,100 euros. So it's like 2 for 1. And this farm, whatever coins I stake on that farm, is going to grow at the rate of 30% per year, or better, 2.5% per month, right? Compounded. So that's what you guys are seeing here. I have 170 Platin coins staked in the smart contract, and this is earning me 2.5% per month. So I have the minting bot daily, and I have the farm that is giving me 2.5% per year. I haven't maximized my farm. You can see the maximum capacity I have is 2,464, and I've just done 170.9. So the goal right now is to accumulate as many coins as possible, because I'm in here for the cash flow. That's how I'm building wealth here. So I'm going to withdraw this one. I'll just do payout. And right now, the update they just released some days ago is going to make the coins go directly to the farm. It's not going to the wallet anymore. So it's going to the farm. And from the farm, you can now get it to the wallet. Okay. So if I click on PLC minting, because that's where my 15 Platin coins are, you can also see I have some Bitcoin commissions here. That's from the referral part. So while I'm doing this passive income, you can actually make serious money, from commissions from referring people to join Platincoin. If you want to learn how to do that, check the link below in the description and you will see how simple it is to make serious money in the short term with the referrals, but also in the long term with the staking and the smart contract. So let's move ahead with this PLC minting. I'll click on next. And you can see that it says PLC transfer is performed only to the farm wallet. All right. My wallet is already here because my account is already connected, so it shows there automatically. And I'm just going to type in 15, and that is going to 0 commission. That's good. Transfer, and I need to put in my one-time password. So let me just get that on my phone. 286938. 938. Confirm. Okay. And I'm actually going to show you my farm on my screen. All right, so you can see my transfer request has been created. So I'm going to transfer, this money will land in my farm on my mobile phone. It's my wallet, my private wallet, but it's for the frozen, for the staking. And then that's how that works. Very simple. The other thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to transfer, should I use local Bitcoins? Let me see. Probably should use Binance for this. So let me just get my Binance. Let me get my Binance wallet. Right. So you can see that this has reduced. I probably should have done everything because anyway, let's leave that. I also want to withdraw my Bitcoin. I want to withdraw this Bitcoin. This is good money, right? This is like this is commission from one sale I made yesterday. So for everybody you refer to Platincoin directly, you're going to get 20%. So if they do the 10,000 euro package, that's 2,000 euros going to you, paid straight in Bitcoin, no questions asked. That's why I love this. 0.00526,933 times, I think Bitcoin is what now? What's the current price of Bitcoin? I think it's about 54. Right now it's about 54. Let's just for an average. So that's about $284, which is like 138,000 naira. So not bad for a day for one client. Okay, so I've grabbed my Bitcoin wallet. Come back to payouts. Very simple, guys. It's very, very simple and straightforward to withdraw your money. I'm going to enter my address so you can see that I can withdraw to any wallet. I'm going to put the total amount there. So I want everything out. Guess what I'm going to do with this? I am going to take this to buy more Platin coins from the exchange and fill up my farm. That's what I'm doing. All right, 119,960. Okay, and that is how you withdraw from Platincoin. Very simple, straightforward. This money is going to land in my wallet ASAP, and then we can take it from there. So if you'd like to learn how to earn 30% on your money every single year, or 2.5% per month, which I think is better because you can compound monthly. This is cash flow. This is residual income on steroids. Click the link below this video, and it will take you to my presentation link, my website, where you can see the whole details. Watch, how we are doing this. All right, Platincoin has been around for 4 years. This is their 5th year going, and they are still delivering. They're still going strong. In fact, they are primed up to do huge multiples, I think over 200x by the end of 2021, according to projections. So if you're interested in earning passive income from cryptocurrency, make sure you check out that video. And you can also feel free to send me a private message, on my WhatsApp, or drop me a comment in the comment box if you want to get started or you have questions. All right, I'll look forward to help you with that. So that said, thank you so much for watching my video. If you're not subscribed, definitely consider it, because I'm posting these videos quite often now to teach you how to take advantage of cryptocurrency to make money and create lasting wealth. See you on the next video. Cheers.